Yes, shall we start our class for today?
Yes, ma'am.
What we are going to discuss is company specification of Accenture and Capgemini pseudocodes. Okay, the pattern for Capgemini is very simple, and the way you can recruit for Capgemini is very simple. Okay, there are two packages. Do you know what is Capgemini and what are the packages available in Capgemini? What is the progress of Capgemini?
No, ma'am. Could you tell us about it?
Yes, sure. Can you tell me which screen is actually visible for you?
Ma'am, the one where you've opened all the questions.
Yeah. Is it my Gmail, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Capgemini, I worked in Capgemini actually. I'm a corporate trainer. I worked in most of the companies like Capgemini, TCS, CTS, UST Global Service, and IBM, Accenture as a trainer. Okay. I worked there as a full stack Java developer, and I worked there as a full stack Java trainer and full stack C# trainer, full stack Python trainer, and I'm a certified trainer of Go language. I usually go visit companies to train the people there on according to their projects. So if you got recruited in Capgemini, I might see you in Capgemini. Okay, it is a very safe and easy place to work on, and for a fresher it is a very good startup. They'll train you end to end progress. Okay, if you don't know anything, also if you don't know what is actually many people like think I'm a triple E candidate, I'm a mechanical candidate, I'm a EC candidate, I do not know what actually will do inside it. I know only the basics is enough for Capgemini. Okay, and for Accenture as well. Because of that only they are choosing their pseudo. I guess whatever I'm moving, you can able to see it, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the exact screenshot of last year. Okay, there are 3 sections in Capgemini recruitment. The first one is 25 pseudocodes. You have a negative mark here. Okay, if you know, please do tick it out. If you do not know, please don't do it because you have 0.5 negative mark. Okay, you have 0.5 negative mark. Okay, there is a cutoff. Actually, out of 25, 8 data structure questions will be there. Okay, and 11 pseudocode questions similar to that. Okay, 12 pseudocode questions will be there, and 5 operating system networking questions will be there. Okay, so totally it is 25, and negative marks is there. There is a cutoff. Okay, if you earned 55%, last year the cutoff is 55. We do not know about this year. Which in sense, if you clarified 14 out of 25, if you clarified 14 pseudocodes, you will be allowed it for the next round. It is a one round. If you didn't get qualified in pseudocode, you cannot enter for the second round. You understand? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 14. Last as per Capgemini, last year it is just out of 25. If you written 14 correctly, okay, then you will be qualified. Okay. The second round is a gaming aptitude round. There is no very tough gaming aptitudes. It's a very simple gaming aptitude rounds according to your ability of what actually logically you are thinking. There is no ratio of profit, combinations, coins, nothing similar to that. It's purely a gaming round. Okay, there you will get 25 gaming aptitude questions, and that if you score 10 marks out of 25, if you score 10 marks, then you can go for the third round. Okay, third round is an essay round. Last year it was an essay. Okay, they will tell you one topic will be given. You have to write a code for that. Okay. That's all. If you clarify all the 3 rounds, you will be directly thrown for the technical HR round. Okay. If not, there is one more round in between the technical HR and after your essay. If you scored more than 20 marks in pseudocode, if your score is more than 20, you will have a eligibility to apply for a higher position, senior programmer, senior associate programmer for 6.8 lakh package. If your pseudocode mark is 20, above 20, okay, you will be shortlisted for 6.8 lakh package. There they will give a very, very simple question. Very simple questions. I'll show what they will give. Okay. If you clarify at least one question out of 2, you will be selected to a HR round of 6.8 lakh package. They will ask you some technical questions and general HR, you will be placed. And if you are not going on with 6.8 lakh package, no issues. You can come back for 3.8 lakh package also. It's your choice. Okay. Understood? That's all the progress and procedure to be selected in Capgemini. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? So the first and the foremost round, I already told you 1 in 1 round. If you got recruited in pseudocode, then only you can proceed inside your Capgemini recruitment process. If you failed it, you cannot go for the second round as well. Clear? And pseudocode is more important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I guess, see here, there are 25 questions, only 25 minutes will be given. So however you practice, okay, that will make you perfect. Okay. So first question, what will be the answer? Yes. What is the question? Can you able to see the questions, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Somebody please to respond. Can you able to see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question? It is like be less than 121. Correct? That question only, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anybody can give me the answer for that? Or you want me to trace it out? Shall we trace it out? Yes. Yes or no? No, we do not want to trace it out. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Please do open up your mouth and talk. Then only I will understand whether you understand the question or you do not understand the question. Clear? You have, I guess everybody can unmute yourself and then talk. Don't show your, give your chat box messages because I could not able to see that. But ma'am, previously we were told that there is no negative marks. No. For Capgemini, we have negative marks. Okay. Last year, there is a negative marks. 6, 6. We'll see. Shall we trace it out and see? 120. Okay. Any other answer? Somebody is saying, major people are saying 6 and some people are saying, only few people are saying 120. Okay, we'll trace it and see. First time my A value is 2, count value is equal to 0 and B value is equal to 1. Correct? First time what is my B value? 1. Less than 121. Condition true or false? Somebody respond. Condition true or false? First time 1 less than true. 121. True. So it going inside my while loop. B is equal to A into B. Correct? What is my A value? 2. What is my B value? 1. So first time it is 4. And count is equal to count plus 1. So 0 plus 1. My answer is 1. Okay. And B is equal to B plus 1. What is my B value? 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So, B is equal to 2 into 1. My answer is 2. 2 plus 1 it is now 3. So, it goes here. So, what will happen? 3 less than 121. Condition true. So, 3 into 2. My answer is 6. My count will become 2 and what will happen? 6 plus 1, my answer will become 7. So 7 less than 121, condition true. Again it goes 7 into, what is my answer? 7 into 2, 14. So my count will become 3. So 14 plus 1, my answer is 15. Let me do it here. My online compiler is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll do it first. Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Equal to 2. C is equal to 0. B is equal to 1. Correct? While what we are doing, what is my value? B less than 121. Here they are going. B is equal to A into. Everybody has mistaken, like they are printing my count value or B value. They are counting print count value, right? How many hour time it was been executed? That is my question. Correct? Correct? B is equal to B plus 1. And finally, I'm coming out and printing my C. Correct? So first we will trace it out like this. First time 1 less than 121, condition true. So here what will happen? Just a minute, guys. Sorry guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
The first time it is 1 less than 121 condition true, it is going inside. What is my A value? 2 into 1. What is my answer? B value is now 2. Correct? My count will become what? 0 plus 1, it is 1. So again it goes here. So 2 plus 1, my answer is 3. So again it goes back. So my value is now 3. So what will happen? 3 into 1. So my answer is 3. My count will become 2. And here, what is my answer? Sorry, my A value is 2, right? So 6 it will become. Correct? So here what will happen? 6 plus 1, my answer will become 7. Again it goes back here. 7 less than 121, condition true. So 7 into 2, my answer is 14. Correct? And here what will happen? It becomes 3. And here 14 plus 1, my answer is 15. Again it goes back here. So 15 less than 121, condition true. So 15 into 2, answer is 30. Correct? So here what will happen? It becomes 4. And here what will happen? 31. Correct? So here 31 less than 121, condition true. So 31 into 2, what is my answer? 62. Correct? My count will become 5. And here 62 plus 1, 63. Correct? Again it goes 63 less than 121, condition true. 63 into 2, what is my answer? 120. 126. Correct? So my count will become 6. So 126 plus 127. So if you print B, it will be 127. If you print C, your answer will be 6. You understood? They printed 6 B value of, oh, just a minute. I thought of opening it, I closed it. Oh my god. You understand now how I'm tracing it? Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, ma'am, clear.
Everybody clear? So if you see it, they are printing count value, not my B value. So the people who have said 6 is correct. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you able to see the second question here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the question? I have A, B, C and sum. And I'm going to read the value A, B and C. And they have given the value A is equal to 30, B is equal to 60 and C is equal to 90. If you see it here, you can able to understand. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what they are saying, if with the condition, what it will print? It will print.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that sum equals to line is not visible, the part in red.
The part in sum is
Fourth
equal
line.
to 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Sum equals 100 and A not equal 0. Okay. Just a minute. So my chat box is also visible. Fail. Is it fail? Someone is saying it is fail. And C, B not
Yes,
equal to 0 and C not equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am. Fail.
Fail. Any one of my condition is fail, say it is fails, right? A is not equal to 0, condition true, and B is also not equal to 0, condition true, and C is also not equal to 0, condition true. But what is my sum value?
Ma'am, sum value is 180.
Yes. So hence it will fail. True, print, fail.
Fail,
Very,
ma'am.
very easy. Yeah. So shall we move on to the next question? We'll see data structure questions separately. Okay. Can you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, tell me what is the answer for this? I have my array value as 5, 6, 11, 51, 54. Okay, at the end, what my array value will be printed. Yes. Yes. Shall we trace it out? Yes. So, okay. So, first time my A value is 5, N value is 3, and my array value has been given. For each K from 1 to A minus 2. Okay. So, what we are saying? K from 1 to N minus 2, it has to travel. Correct. So, first time my K value will be 1 less than or equal to, what is my A value? 3. Correct? So again, it is going inside. First condition is true. So array of n. What is my n value? What is my n value? 3.
Ma'am, 5.
What is my n value? 3. Correct? So in array of 3 position, I'm going to store my array of 2 position value. What is my array of 3 position? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 54 will be deleted, and what I have it in 2? 51 will be placed. Correct? In array of 3 position, what is my answer?
51.
Correct? So again it is going back to here. So what is my A value? A minus 2, 3 minus 2. My answer will be 1. Correct? So K value is 1. 1 less than 1. Condition true or false? Sorry, I have a J loop right here. It will go here. So J is equal to J from 1, yeah, 2. What is my n value?
3, ma'am.
3 minus 1. My answer is
1.
1. So in A of J position, what I'm actually doing? In one position, what I have? 6. So instead of 6, what will be written here? J plus 2. 1 plus 2. What is my answer? 3. Already I have written 53 here, right? So instead of 6, my answer will be 51. Correct? Again it goes back. What is my value now? N minus 2. 3 minus 2, it is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1. Condition, it comes back. Correct? So what will be printed? That is my answer. So I have updated some values, right? So what will be printed?
Ma'am, we have to print k plus 1, but the loop stays, ma'am, only 51.
No, I have changed some values. And I'm printing 1 to n minus 2. I'm printing one value only. Okay, so what will be in my k position? See, I have made it as this is 5, 51, 51, 51. All other values are becoming 51, correct? So this is 5. I'm not changing any value of 5. So 6 is been deleted and printed to what? 51. 54 is also deleted. I have A of 3, 51 I have printed, right? So this is also 51, this is also 51, this is also 51 and this is 5. Correct? And see, k is equal to 1, some less than 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1. I'm going to print one value only. Okay?
Yes,
so what is my k value?
Okay.
1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So in 2 position, what I have? 1.
51, ma'am.
51. So only 51 will be printed. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do this and see? How to delete this one? Whatever I have scribbled. How can I delete this? Eraser. Okay. Okay. Can I do this one? So what they are saying? 5, 6, 51, 54. Correct? Any other value they are giving? A is equal to 5. A1 is equal to 5. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. For what was the thing we have written? For K, for I in range 1, n minus 2. Correct? And A of I value equal to A of n is equal to A of 2. In third position, what I'm doing? What is the value they are giving here? 2. Okay, and now they have one more loop called J. For J in range, what they are doing here? Anybody? 1 to n minus 2. 1, n minus 2. Here, array of j is equal to j plus 2. Array of j equal to array of j plus 2. Or k in range of 1, n minus 2. N minus 2. print A of A plus 1. That's all they are printing. Okay, we'll check what is actually it is getting printed. Invalid syntax.
Python takes one. It doesn't take the last element, man.
Pardon, ma?
Python doesn't take the last element in for loop range. So you have to give n plus 1.
It will take the value, right? There is no error. I have not given any space here. So because of that, it's shown errors.
Yes, ma'am.
First value n minus 2. What is my n minus 2? My answer is. So n minus 2, I'll directly go on with 6. It is printing. Actually, it has to print.
In line 4, 1 comma a minus 2 should be there.
Pardon? Line 4?
1 comma a1 minus 2.
A1 minus 2, n minus 2 only, right? Up to the range. Oh, okay, it is not going inside, right? Minus 2 it has to be. Should be like. Okay. Understood, because actually here, since it is a pseudocode, they are giving like a minus 2, length of my a, correct? So length of my a is 5, right? So I didn't use this one, so I have used, let it be a1 minus 1. A1 minus out of range. Okay. So actually it will go beyond. The Python will go 0 to 5, right? So that is the thing I have used len of a. You understand why I have used len of a? Because Python will go, my looping of Python will go before one value. If my length is 5, it will go up to 3 only. Correct? So if I give len minus a, then automatically it goes before 1. My answer is 51. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Is it fine? Yes or no? Can I move on for the next question? Okay. Can you able to see the last one? I'll tell you, my number is equal to 123. My sum is equal to 0. Num greater than 0, digit is equal to num modulus 10. Sum is equal to sum plus digit into 2. And num is equal to num divided by 10. So what will be my sum? Let me write it here. What do you have given? Set num is equal to 123. Okay. Sum is equal to 0. Sum is equal to 0. And while condition num greater than 0. While num greater than 0. If this condition is true, it is going inside. Digit is equal to digit. Digit is equal to num modulus 10. Okay. And sum is equal to sum plus digit into digit into 2. Digit into 2. Sum plus digit into 2, right? Then num is equal to num 1. Okay, and num is equal to num divide by 10. Num divide by 10 only, right? Yes. And finally, I'm printing my sum. What is my answer? What is my answer? Yes, anybody? Yes. Shall we trace the code? Shall I trace it or you will tell the 54, 10, 12? We'll check it out. First time num is 1. 54.
34.
34. Okay. So what is my num value? 123. Greater than 0. Condition true. So here it is going. What is my num value? 123. Modulus 10. So what will I get it first time? I will get it as 3. Correct? And here sum is equal to 0 first. So digit. What is my digit? 3. 3 into 2. First time my answer is 6. Again it comes here. 123 model divide by 10, I will get 12. So for again it goes here 12 greater than 0 condition 2. So 12 modulus 10, what will I get? 2. So 6 plus 2 into 2, it is 4. Correct? So I will get 10. And here 12 divided by 10, I will get 1. 1 is greater than 0, condition true. So 1 modulus 10, I will get 1 only. Correct? So 10 plus 1 into 2, my answer is 2. So 12 totally. So 1 divided by 10, what is my answer? 0. So 0 greater than 0, condition fails. So what is my sum value? Since it is double dash, I have to use 12. It is not 32, it is not 64. Am I right? Yes? Yes? Any doubts here? Is it clear? Do you want me to say it again?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So next question. Yes, tell me. What is the answer? Yes, answer C you're saying 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 61. So we'll trace it. Mobile நேத்துல அப்படிதான் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. Am I audible to you? Okay. So 12 plus 12. What is my answer? 24. So it will print 24. Again 24 less than 60. Condition true. Again it goes here. So 12 plus 12. What is my answer? 36. So 36 will be printed. Again it comes 36 less than 60. Condition true. Again it goes. So 36 plus 12. What is my answer? 48. So 48 will be printed. Correct? So again it goes 48 less than 60 condition. True. Again it goes back. So 48 plus 12. What is my answer? 60. So 60 less than 60 condition fails. So what will happen? Print I plus 1, which is nothing but 60 plus 1, 61. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 61. It will not print 60, right? Am I right? If this condition true, it will go here. It is not C, it is A. Am I right? So it is not C, it is A. 12, 24, 36, 48. 60 less than 60. Condition true or false? It is false. So it will not go to line number 3. It goes to health spot. So 60 plus 1, 61 will be printed. So it is not 60. Am I right? Yes or no? Everybody is saying 6. Shall we trace it out?
Prints I first and then goes to if condition.
Ah, yes. So 60, it will print 61. Sorry. So C only. Correct. Sorry. I forget that one. I forget it. So it prints and then only it is going, right? So 60 will be printed and then only it will go and check the condition. Yes. So it's easy. So can I move on for the next question? Any doubts in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is this question? Yes. What is the answer? 133 3 or 13135? What is my answer?
Ma'am, 1-3.
1-3. Okay. 1-3. 1-3 is the answer. Shall we trace it out? First time my C value is 1. So it is going inside. So it will print 1. Correct? So it will print 1 here. And again, 1 less than 3, condition true or false? Condition true. So 1 plus 2, what will happen? 3. So again it will go with the function of 3. Correct? So it is going back here. So it will print my 3 and 3 less than 3. Condition true or false? False. So 3 less than 3, condition true, condition false. This will not work, but I have a return C here, right? So it will return my C, which is nothing but my C value is 3. So once again, I have to print my, so 133 is my answer. You understand? So if I do not have this one, then I can see 1 and 3 only is my answer. I have returned 3, so it will print my 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, shall we move on for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me what is the answer for this? Yes, what is the answer for this?
Ma'am, what are the options? Ma'am, 2 times.
Okay, I'm sorry. So first I'll tell you again. 0 less than 4 condition true. 0 less than 2 condition true. So first time it is 0 and I value is also 0 and j value is also 0. Condition true or false? 0 less than 0. Condition true or false? False. So it comes out. Again it goes. My j will become 1. So 0 less than 1. Condition true or false? True, right? Yes. So first time it is going inside. It will print a and I will be incremented to 1. So now my I value is 1. What is my j value? 2. So 1 less than 2. Condition true or false? True. So second time it is printing I. Again it goes back. Already my I is incremented by 1. So here what will happen? It becomes 2. So 2 less than 4. Condition true. It comes here. What is my answer? Will it become? First time it is 2 less than 0. 2 less than 0 condition fail. 2 less than 1 condition fail. 2 less than 2 condition fail. Again it goes back. It will become 3. So 3 less than 0, 1, 2, sorry. And 4 less than 2, true. So how many times my A got printed? Only 2 times, right? Do you want me to execute this condition?
Ma'am, before this, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we, in the second line, when we are writing from 0 to 4, we understand from this pseudocode that it will anyway be incremented, like the line that we write in for loop.
Okay.
We at the end we write no I plus plus.
Okay.
So, but then in the in the while loop, we are also incrementing I by 1.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I don't understand if we are incrementing I here when the same I goes back to the for loop. Do we consider it as the value for previous I?
Yes.
Or the incremented I?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Why I'll tell you? Because I'm updating the value. Correct? See here. What is my question? What they have given here? Let me do this one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
For I in range. What actually doing? 4 comma. Imagine like 5. Then only it goes. Okay. It starts from 0. So let me do it like this. Okay. For j in. Is this window is visible whatever I'm typing? Hello? Somebody please to respond. Is the window is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, just a minute. I have selected something else. Ayyo. Section 4 tag. I don't know why it is coming like this. Just a minute. What? For I in range of whatever I'm typing, it is visible for you, right? For j in, am I correct?
Ma'am, I in range 0, 5.
Yes, bro. See, even though if I do it like this, 0 to 2 plus 1, you're saying like this, less than or equal to, correct? But even if I give 4, there won't be any change. If I less than j, this is my condition, print a, correct? Yes, I'm just giving a space. That's all right. And I is equal to I plus 1. I don't have an incrementation here. So hence I'm giving as such. Okay. So let me print it out. One time only it is printing.
Ma'am, it is 0 to 4 plus 1.
3 times it is printing. Any other mistake we are doing? It is while condition. That time also it is printing 3 times. Zero to 4. First time it is going inside. My I value is 0. J value is 0. 0 less than 0. Condition fails. Correct? So it will not go here. It comes back to while J loop. J will become what? 1. So 1 less than 1, condition true. So it goes and prints my A. Correct? So again it will come here. My I will become I is equal to I plus 1. So I will become 1. So again it goes here. What is my I value now? 1. What is my J value? What is my J value? First time it is 0. Now it is 1. So 1 less than 1. Condition true or false? Sorry. J value is 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 less than 2, condition true or false?
True, ma'am.
So condition true. So what will happen? Here it goes and it will print A. And I will become?
Ma'am.
I will become what? I will become 2. So again it goes here. Condition fails actually. So it goes here. Correct? Just a minute. Let me print my I value. First time it is 0. Second time it is 1. Third time it is 2 and 3. Correct?
Ma'am, the loop is still 4. I.
Pardon, ma?
I
See,
loop is
first time it is 0. So it is
0 to
coming
4.
inside. 0. 2 times A is actually getting printed. Again it is going and updating the value. See, here it is becoming 3. Actually it has to become, already the value here is 1. And again it is going and it is becoming 2 only. Correct? First time in the range of 1 less than 2 it is printing A. 2 less than 0, 2 less than 1, condition fails, right? So 2 less than 2, 3 less than, how many times A is printed? 1, 2 only, right? First time it is 0, 0, 0, 1, condition fails. So it will become 1 and 2. So that 0, 1, 0 is less than 1. Yeah, that time it will print. I also know. You understand? 2 times. First time what we have missed it is like 0. First time it is 0. J value is also 0. So what will happen? It is 0 and 0. 0 less than 0. Condition true. Condition false. It will not print. Again it goes. My J will become what? 1. So 0 less than 1. Condition true. So first time it will print my A. Correct? again it will become, my I will become 1, correct? So I is 1. What is my J value? 2, right? So 1 less than 2, condition true. So again it will print my A and my I will become what? 2, right? Am I right? First time my I has become 1 and now it will become 2. And again it goes back. What is my J value? J value will be over, right? Again it goes back. What is my I value? Already it is 2. So 2 plus 1 it is 3, right? So 3 less than 4, condition true, it comes inside. So 3 less than 0 fails. 3 less than 1 fails. 3 less than 2 fails. Correct. What? Yeah. If my condition is correct only, no? Where it is actually printing my A? At what stage? See, if I'm giving this, I'm getting only 2A. See here, how many A? Here. At the stage of 1 less than 2, it is printing 1A. 0 less than 1 condition. So first time it is printing here. And here 1 less than 2, it is printing. And again, when 1...
Ma'am, after it comes from the while loop, it goes back and again I value becomes 0 to 1. So it prints again for 1
But actually I'm updating my value, right?
But once it is coming out of the J loop, it is again taking I value as, because again in for loop I, when it goes again, it gets initialized, no ma'am?
Yes. So whatever I'm updating, it is not updated, right? After while loop, it is going back to my original value of I. So here it is 2, but here it is 1 only. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be done like that, right? Whenever I'm updating, the value will be updated, right?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe it is going into for loop and again in for I, we are initializing I value, no ma'am. So it gets again updated, re-updated.
Okay. Let me print my I value alone. We'll check. But actual procedure is like whenever if I'm updating, okay. Actually, I is a value which I have assigned inside my looping statement, right? So I will
Try
be
to print I value before the for loop, ma'am.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Since it is a looping statement, my I is actually, when it is going from one loop to another loop, it is taking that value only. It is not updated. See here, it is 0. So 0 is compared with 1 and 2. Okay. And again it is 1. So 1 is compared with 0. No. 1 is not less than 0, 1 is not less than 1, 1 is less than 2. That time it is printing. Again, it is going back for 2, 3 and 4. We actually thought it like here, since it is updated as 2, there it will become 3 and 4. No, it is not. So once it is going back I loop, it is taking that new iterated value. So 3 times it will print. I also forgetted it. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to give you, I didn't ask your college name also. May I know your college? Which college you are from?
Ma'am, CMR TC.
CMR?
TC, ma'am, Technical Campus.
Okay. This is my first time with you guys, right?
I am not sure, ma'am.
I am not sure. Okay. Check whether you have done this question. Pattern 6.8 lakh packet. Simultaneously, we will see pseudocodes as well as the questions which they are frequently asked from a company side. Okay. Did anyone did this question? Did I teach you how to do this question? Yes. Anybody? Okay, this is actually a pattern exercise. Okay, this is it's a universal question. Yeah, it is a pattern question. Anybody can try to print this one. Any language you can choose. Java, C, C++, Python, any language you can choose. Can you try to print this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you exactly 7 minutes for this. Okay?
No, ma'am.
What? Why no, ma'am? 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough, Ramesh. Good. Guys, I'll tell you, if you think like 1 to 10, I can print it. Input for that, for the pattern, we do not have any input, right? Am I right? You have to build it. That's it. Have you completed? Done with half pattern, ma'am. That's what I told you, right? If you think like I can complete half pattern first and another half pattern, and then if I merge it, then you will never get it. Okay? One has sent the code. I guess this will not get your output, right? Can I do it? Can I do it? Yes or no? Or you need still more time? Yes. Yes, somebody please to respond so that I will do it. Can I? Or you need still more time?
You show it to us, ma'am.
Okay. So which language you prefer? Which language you want me to do? Python, C or C++?
Ma'am, C++, ma'am. C++.
Why C++?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for a lot of like exams, Java, C++ comes, Python, not everywhere.
Who said like that?
I mean, the exams that I've come across, ma'am.
It's not like that.
Python is anyway, ma'am, easier. So if
Python,
I think
for competitive coding, it is easy.
yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
but the logic will not differ in any language. So let
Yes.
me do it in C as a common language. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is my starting value? Here, 1, correct? What is my ending value?
10. Oh no.
What is
It's
my ending value? 20,
20.
correct?
20, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for our pattern, my row and column will not at all change. Correct? So I less than equal to 4. How many rows I have in that pattern? It is 4 rows, right? So my I represents my row. Okay. I'm just going to have my condition. Got it? Very easy, right?
Ma'am, but do we have a coding round?
Of course.
According to the instructions given to us, we are not having any coding rounds, ma'am.
See, while I'm starting itself, I told you, right?
No, ma'am, but other instructions were given. We don't know which one to believe now.
You have 2 rounds, okay? First round for 3.8 lakh package, and you have one more round for senior analyst programmer. Okay?
Senior analyst program is not for us, ma'am. That is only for set campus people.
Pardon?
The senior analyst role is not for us. It is only for set campus people.
Set campus, what do you mean by that?
Like there's a different campus. Only they are eligible for senior analyst.
Who said like that?
It is there in the instruction that was forwarded to us.
Actually, according to the company, if you are scoring 20 plus in pseudocode, you will be directly eligible for your senior analyst programmer.
And even the negative marking, ma'am.
See, I am not audible of what your college instruction is. According to the company instruction, if you scored more than 20 in your pseudocode, you will be directly eligible for your coding round. In that, you have 2 coding rounds. If you are not okay with that, tell me, let me stop coding, and then directly I'll move on with the pseudocode. I have planned it in such a way that pseudocode plus coding.
And negative marking also, ma'am. We were told that we are not having negative markings at all.
Pardon?
We were told that we are not having any negative markings.
No, we have negative marks. Last year itself, we had 0.5 negative mark. I'm very sure this time also they would have conducted it. In TCS only, we do not have negative mark, and in CTS, we do not have negative mark. For Capgemini, we have negative marks.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, we have negative marks. Okay, this time they would have not. Last time there is a negative marks. I'm very sure we have negative marks for it. Maybe this year would not be, but last year we had negative marks. See, it is gaming, aptitude, English, and pseudocode round. 30 questions. So they have updated this time. Last time it was only 25 questions. This time overall cutoff is so high. Okay, we have 30 questions.
ஏய் நான் மார்க்கெட் போயிட்டு வரேன்டா அத
Yes. Do you want me to continue coding question or we'll directly move on with the pseudocode?
Ma'am, that we don't know, ma'am. We don't know what is the legitimate information, ma'am.
See, if you see this, you have. Okay. Oh, if you're okay with your okay, so if you're willing, coding will continue. If not, I'll directly move on with your coding pseudocodes.
Ma'am, please talk to our TP or somebody. They might be able to take a right decision.
As okay, today what actually my plan is 20 to 15 pseudocodes. Yes. Okay, so what I will do is like, let me give you 10 pseudocodes and 2 coding questions. Like that only I have planned it. So tomorrow I'll have a query on with your TPO sir or Jeevan sir, whatever it is. And then I'll come back with your technical original questions also. Today let me continue with your pseudocodes. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, next question. What is this?
தானே
Yes, answer for this. Someone need the code for this. Yeah, this is actually the code. Don't worry, I'll explain this code tomorrow also. Okay, we'll concentrate today for the pseudo code. Tomorrow we'll see coding questions also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we trace it out? Okay, we'll trace it out. My I value is 1, n value is 50, value is equal to 0. So what they are saying, for I equal to n, increment by 1 time, by 2 each iteration. So imagine first time my I value is 1, 1 mod 6. What is my answer? Is it equal to 0? 1 modulus 6 equal to 0, huh? Condition true or false? 1 mod 6, my answer is 1 only. So, my value will not change. Again it goes 1 plus 2. What is my answer? 3. So, 3 it will come. What is my answer? 3 modulus 6. What is my answer? Equal to 6. Condition? False. So, again it goes. So, 3 plus 2, it will become 5. So, 5 modulus 6, answer is 5. No. So, again it goes 5 plus 1, 7. 7 modulus 6, my answer is 1. No. Then 9. 9 modulus 6 equal to 0. Condition? Fails. Again it goes back. What is my answer? To 16. We'll check it out. We'll do this code. Okay. First time, let me take it like this. What is my value here? What they have given? I is equal to 1. Int I is equal to 1. Int n is equal to 50. And value is equal to 0. Okay. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I equal to I plus 2. That is my constraint here, right? And if I modulus 6 equal to 0, if this condition is true, what I have to do? Value equal to value plus I. Okay, val plus I. Okay, and finally I'm going to print my percentage d, comma, val. That's all, correct? So first we will trace it out. My I value is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 50. Condition? One less than or equal to 50. Condition true. So it going inside. What is my value here? 1 modulus 6 equal to 0. Condition fails. Correct. So here it will not be there. So 1 plus 2. My answer is 3 less than. Condition fails. So again what will happen? 3 plus 2. My answer is am I right? Any mistake that I did here? So answer is 0. If I do I is equal to I plus plus, at that time we'll check what is happening. To 16. But they have told me to increment by 2 each iteration. So if I do iteration I is equal to I plus 2, none of the condition will meet. All the values will become what? Odd number, right? 1. So at least if I have started with 0 to 16, they are starting my I value as 1. I is equal to 1. So none of the value will be true here. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So at least either I have to start with 0 or else I start with I plus plus. Any one of these things should be true. Because if I start with 1 and I increment 2, my value will be always odd. So odd cannot be a modulus value of my even number count. So none of the value will come here. So hence my value is 0. You understand? Sometimes like this also they will give you. This is not my mistake. It's actually the previous year question. Okay. So the answer is, if I correct it as 0, my answer is 216. Clear? Yes or no? Can I move on for the next question? Yes, tell me the answer for this.
If such situation happens, what do we do?
Choose any language, any correct it. Okay, we cannot go and say that you are wrong. This is not our semester exam. Okay, so if I correct it, what will be the answer? That is called optimization. 216 will be the answer.
MCQ. So we have to correct the code and then.
Yes. Yes. But we do not have time because each question will have only 1 minute. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we do it correctly, what will be the answer? Then that is my answer. We cannot go and say company side, your answers, your options are wrong. I cannot do it like that. Okay?
Yes,
this question. What is the answer for this? Greater than 1. Condition true. Again it goes 2 minus 2. What is my value? See, I have a condition here. In function of int x comma int y. Correct? Here, if x is greater than 1, function of what I'm actually throwing, x plus x minus 2 comma y plus 5. Correct? And what actually they are doing, if this condition is true, they are printing it. After end if, they are printing my y value. Printf percentage D, comma, Y. Correct? So, what I'm doing here, do I have any written statement? Okay, let me call the function and let me pass the value, comma, 5. So that's all right. So let me give return 0. Ten, 5.
Function of
Y plus 2, ma'am.
y plus 2.
Plus 9, 7, 5. Yes. So first time, what is my value? I'm showing it here. So when till my condition is 3 times only, it will be true. 4, 2, and 1. Correct? Iterative function. It will call the function simultaneously. It will complete the code. Am I right? So if I print this function here, what will happen? What will be my answer? First time it is 5. Second time it is 7 and 9. Am I right? So every time it is completing the function and then only it is going and calling the next time. Am I right? So people will think why they have given this question is, we usually think since the function is automatically called, it goes back without completing the next line. No, it will not like that. First it will complete the code and then only it goes back. Okay? And it is like a stack. So whatever it has been iterated first, it will be there at first. Last in, first out method. Correct? So first time my value is 5, then it becomes 7 and then it becomes 9. Am I right? Stack method. Clear? Any doubts here? Shall we move on for the next code? Can you able to see the last one? Tell me the answer for this one. So this condition both are what? False. So which is nothing but 0. Correct? And take this condition. What is my A value? Minus 1 less than 0, condition true. What is my B value? 1 greater than 0. So both the conditions are true. So here it will come 1. 0 or 1 means what is my answer? Any one of my condition is true. So it will become true. So my X value is what? 1. Simultaneously tell me what will be my Y value? Minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Condition true or false? True. And here, what is my 1? B value is 1 greater than or equal to 0. So both the condition are true. So it will give 1. And here, minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. Condition true or false? False. 1 less than or equal to 0. This is false. So what is my answer? Both are false. So it is 0. And this is 1. 1 and 0, what is my answer? 0. So Y value is what? 0. Correct? So 1 is equal to 0. Condition true or false? False. So hence it will print my health statement, which is nothing but 0. You understand what I'm doing it? Any doubts here why I'm getting 0? Yes or no? Guys, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible? Clear. Yes, now the time is 11 o'clock. We have completed 2 hours. We'll go for 15 minutes break. Okay? Do you need break or we will continue? Do we need break? Okay. So we'll give break and then we'll continue. Okay? Go for exactly 15 minutes break. Up to 1 o'clock.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸ್ವಾಗದಂತ ಮನೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನೇ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪಲ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Yes, shall we begin our session? Guys, this is for Accenture also. It's for Capgemini as well as for Accenture. So definitely we have to discuss coding questions. Okay? Shall we do some coding questions? Yes. Yes or no? Do respond. Shall we begin? Okay. Good. Thanks for your response. First question. Do Usually, if it is an Accenture or it is a Capgemini second level coding, definitely you will get one array question. Okay. So first, we'll begin with array questions. Okay. Yes. Did everyone came back from break? Shall we start a session? Can I have a yes? Okay. The first question is, take a value n from the user. Okay. According to n, fill your array size. Okay. And what you want to do is find a minimum and maximum value from the array. Okay. Sum is equal to max plus my minimum. If my sum is even number, what I have to do is first half of an array in ascending order, first half in ascending order, second half in descending order. Okay. If my sum is odd, vice versa. First half in descending order, second half in ascending order. I felt I am audible to everyone, and this is my question. Any doubts in this question? Let me give you one example. My size is 7. I'm going to enter 56, 8, 9, 7, 23, 45, 89. Okay. So what is my minimum value here? What is my minimum value? Yes, please. What is my minimum value? 8. What is my maximum value? 89. So what is my sum? 9 plus 89. What is my answer? 98, right? So 98 is my odd number or even number? Somebody please do respond. Am I audible? Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So even number. So what should be my output? My output is first half should be in ascending order. Second half should be in descending order. So first 4 values ascending order. Correct. So 7, 8, 9, 56. Second half should be in descending order. So descending order in sense 89, 45, 23. Correct? Yes or no? Did you guys understand the question? Yes? Can you try this code? Yes or no? Yes. Any doubts? Can you try this code? 23 will come like this, right? No. First half, you want to divide the value, Ravali. You want to divide the value into first and second half. So first half of my array should be in descending order. Second half should be in ascending order. Ma'am, minimum is 7. Oh, sorry. My minimum is 7 means what will be my answer? 89 plus 7? 96. That time is also its even number, right? So my value will not change. Am I right? Okay. Can you try this code or you want me to do it? Can I give you 7 minutes for this code? This is easy question, right? Am I right? Can I give 7 minutes for this? Somebody please to respond. Can I give you 7 minutes for this? Okay.
Hey.
Can I do it? Anybody completed the code or you want me to do it? Can I do it? Okay. The first question is, what I have to do, I want to declare my array value. Okay. I've declared it. Okay. And now I need my n. I want my minimum value, maximum value, and my sum. Correct? And I want my mid value. Correct? So now, what I have to do, I want to take n from the user. Guys, are you guys are following me? Yes or no? Are you guys are following me? Can I continue my code? Is my screen is visible? 2 minutes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. So, I'm going to get value from the user one way. I got my user values. Now what I have to do? So I got my n and I got my n size values. Now what is my next step? What I have to do? I want to find my minimum value and I want to find my maximum value. Am I right? Guys, do tell me one thing. Am I going very fast? Do you want me to teach you basics? Since this is company specification, I'm directly moving on with the coding questions and the pseudo codes. Do you want me to start with C basics? Please to respond, or else I can go on with the same stand. No, ma'am, continue. Okay. What about others? Because the strength is actually reducing. Well, the strength which was not here when I continue. Am I going very fast? You can tell me, I'll go slow. And you want me to teach you something basics? Okay, I'll go slow. No issues. Anything other?
Yeah.
Yes, anything else? This is okay. Okay. Fine. So I got my value. What is my next step? I want to find my minimum value and my maximum value. Correct? So if I want to find my minimum value and my maximum value, so let me assign the values first. So first, let me take the value of 0 position. Okay? For both, I'll take my 0 position values. Okay. I'm going to travel inside my looping statement for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If what I have to do? If a min value greater than a of j, a of min is equal to a of j value, a of I value. If max is less than a of j, max is equal to a of I. That's all. Correct? So I'm finding my minimum value and maximum value. So let me print my min and max. Okay. Percentage D, comma, min. Percentage D, comma, max. Okay. So let me run the code. So let me give 5. Okay. So 1, 56, 34, 23, 6. So my minimum value is 1, maximum value is 54, 56. So any doubts? So what I have found? I have traveled inside the loop and I found my minimum value and I found my maximum value. Any doubts so far? Any doubts? Do you want me to trace the code? So now, so what is my value here? Sum is equal to min plus max. Correct? So I got my sum value now. And now, if sum modulus 2 equal to 0, then it is a odd value. So what I have to do it now? First half ascending order, second half descending order. Correct? Can you do it now or you want me to complete the code? Why the strength is actually reducing, I do not understand. When I started, it is nearly 170. Am I going very fast or you do not understand my teaching? Anything similar to that, guys? Or you are not interested in coding question? See, this is, I heard it is a Accenture and a Capgemini specification. So pseudocode and coding question both are important. Understood? Why your strength is, see now it is only 90. Why? Do you have any other session? Why the people are actually growing down and down? Do you have any other session? What is your defect? If you say it, I will correct according to it. Because next 1 week you are going to travel with me. So first day itself, if I analyze it, then I will go on with the same stand. You do not want me to teach this way? You want me to change it anything else? Please do open up. The strength is actually decreasing again and again. If they are not okay, then only they will go, right? Guys, I'll never take anything into mind. Okay, this is just for your sake, and please do open up and talk. If you're not having, if you're having any queries, please do raise it so I will correct it. Yes. Why you people are very silent? So what you want me to take it? Yes. No problem, ma'am. But the strength is actually going very weak, right? Can I continue? Yes. Okay. Okay. So first, thank you. So first time what we are doing is sum modulus 2 equal to 0. So what I have to do, if it is an even number, what I have to do, first half should be in ascending order, second half should be in descending order. Okay. So first I want to travel up to my first half and make that as a descending order. Second half, make that as a descending order. Okay. So let me start it from int I is equal to 0. I equal to 0, I less than what I have to do. I want to find my mid value also. Correct? Mid is equal to n divided by 2. Correct? So up to mid, I have to travel. So before mid, it will travel. Correct? So I plus plus. So once after this, what I have to do? Or int j is equal to I plus 1. Right? Compare the value and I want to j less than mid. But also it has to travel up to that only. I plus plus. So after this swapping, since it is C language, it will go very lengthier only. Okay, A of I less than A of J. Correct? And here I need my temporary variable temp is equal to A of I. And A of I equal to A of J. And A of J is equal to temp. If it is less than, I'm just calculating it. Correct? Similarly, what I have to do? What I have to do? Same thing has to be done with second half. Correct? So what I have to do it here? I want to start with mid value and it should go less than or equal to n. Correct? And here I plus 1 only and here it should go up to less than or equal to n. And this condition should be greater than. Correct? So let me print my value for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to less than n, I plus plus, print f percentage d, comma a of I. That's all. Correct? So no other way. If it is Python, right, it will go within a simple code. Since it is like Java, we don't have any other function. We have to travel and make it as a ascending order, correct, and descending order. Temp was not declared, so that is my error. Let me make it as temp also. So I'm giving 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum value is, why it is coming down? Five, 23, 6, 9. Okay. Because I have not given if it is less than, right? 5 plus 1. 5. Let me give the even count. Okay. If it is equal to 0 only, it will go. Let it be 2 is my maximum value, minimum value. And let it be 90. So 90 plus 2, 92. What is my sum? Let me print my sum and I'll check. Printf percentage %d, comma, sum. Okay, because that it is getting confused. 5.
Recording in progress.
12. 3. So printing. What mistake I have done here? If my sum is equal to 0, modulus equal to 0, then only it will go inside. It is taking the value and minimum value is 0, maximum value is, it is showing min and maximum value. So min and max is equal to sum. Correct only, right? Why it is not showing? Let it give 3. 1, 2, 3. It's not printing. Why? You have done it in this one. Python is easy, man. Many people don't know Python, right? Let me just check whether it is visible or not. Okay. So minimum and maximum 13 it is giving, right? Paste the code in chat box. Yeah, sure. Let me complete it and then I'll paste it. Okay, I'm getting my sum value here. Okay. 13 is correct only. One plus 1, 2 plus 3. Okay. So what is my answer? 3 values, 1, 12 and 3. Okay. 3 values I have given, 12 and 3. Okay. Just a minute. It is displaying my sum value also, hence there is a problem. Okay. See, if it is not equal, I guess it is coming. Minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 12. Okay. So just a minute. I'm giving 5 values. 2, 3, 6, 9, 4. Okay. So what is my value? 5 values I have given 2, 3, 6, 4. Okay. What is my minimum value here? 2 is my minimum value. What is my maximum value? 9. So 9 plus 10, what is my answer? 11. Okay. So 11. So hence it is an odd number. So first should be in ascending order and next should be in descending order. Correct? So 2, 3, 6 as such it is been printed and this is in descending order only. So it is printing as such. Okay. Let me run another code. 2, 3, 9, 87, 56, 1. Okay, see here. So these are my values. What they are taking is my maximum value is 78. My minimum value is 1. So 78 plus 1, my answer is 79. It is the odd count value. So first half should be in what? Ascending order, right? Sorry, descending order, right? 3, 2, 9, and next one should be in this order. Correct? You understand? Since it is like same value I have given, it is doing it. Guys, any doubts in this question? I pasted the code. Okay, if it is Python, right, it is very easy. See, if it is sum is even, same condition, if it is equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Let me do it like this. Printf even else printf odd. I do not want this one, right? Looping statement will not change. 7 odd. My maximum number is 7 and this. Okay? And let me give 9 values. $62. Okay? Even now. So if it is an even, ascending, descending, odd, descending, ascending. That's all. Okay? I'll do it in Python. Python is very easy. Okay? What if sum is not odd? Then what I have to do? First half should be in descending order. Second half else. Okay, I didn't complete my odd part itself because same thing only you have to do it. Okay? Let me do it in Python. Python is very easy. Let me create a list. Okay, I didn't complete it because both are same only, right? Else part I want to repeat the same thing. Okay, let me have my min one. N value is equal to int of input of. Okay. Do you want me to do it in Python or we will move on for the next question? Python. Okay. I got this one. Okay. And for I in range of n. So up to n, it will take automatically the value L dot append of int of input of. So I got all my L values. Okay. Let me print that. After my L, what I have to do is I automatically get my even number and odd number, right? So let me have M1 is equal to minimum value. So min of L, automatically my minimum value will be stored. M2 is equal to max. So max of L1, automatically my L value will be stored. Sum is equal to min plus max. That's all, right? Let me print my min. Print sum 1. Okay. Let me give 6. L is my value, right? I have given wrongly. So 9 values, let me give. M1, M2. So 97 is my value. Minimum value is 1, maximum value is 96. So my sum value is 97. Okay. So if sum 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, what I have to do? Similar like that only for I in I want to find my mid value. Okay. So mid equal to n double modulus 2. Okay. For I in range of, I have to give a starting value 0, comma mid. Okay. What I have to do? I want to append that value is equal to L1 dot append of int of I. Okay. So let me give the values here. L1 equal to comma L2 equal to this. Okay. I need two different values. Okay. Once after this, I got my value. And next, similarly, else. Same value I have to do it. Control V. Okay. So here there will be a change. Mid from mid to n. Okay. So L2 dot append. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, since I got two lists, so I will arrange the value using a sort. First half, second half, right? Sorry, I did a mistake here. For I in range of mid, comma, n. L2 dot append of int of I. Okay. L1 dot sort of. Okay. L2 dot sort of REVER reversed equal to, I want to make it as false, right? False. False or true? Okay. Print print L1 plus L2. Automatically my list will be added, right? So this is for even. Similarly, you have to do it for else. Okay. So let me copy this one. So health part also have to be to the same thing. Okay. Let me have it inside this. Print L1 plus L2. That's all. That's all the code is. Okay. Semicolon has to be given. I've given colon. So I'm giving 5, 6, 3, 1, 9, 4. Reverse. What is the spelling of reverse? R-E-V-E-R-S-E. Reverse, right? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1 is coming with 0, 1, 2, 4. 9 is the first value, right? What mistake actually? One silly mistake what I have done is A of I have to give. I want to append that A of I value, right? So I have append my A I value. So that is the mistake here. Okay. 9, 1, 3, 3, 4. A is not defined. Oh my god. L. L is my list, right? I forget it. Okay. 5, 1, 9, 2, 3, 4. So what is my value? 1 is my minimum value, 9 is my maximum value, it is 10. So 10 modulus 2, my answer is even. So first half should be in ascending order, second half should be in descending order, correct? So it is going here. What is my first value? Ascending order. 1, 9 is my first value, first half, 3 to 1 is my second half. So what I'm doing here? So 1, 9 has been reversed, correct? And 4, 3, 2, it is in a descending order. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? It should be vice versa. Correct? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Do you want me to check with any other output? So let me give odd number value. So let me give 1, 2, 3, 99, 1 not 100. Okay, one more value I have to give false 5. So my maximum value, sorry, reverse is equal to E I have left. Spelling mistake. Okay, let me give 6, 1, 100, 99, 63, 25, 12. So my maximum value is 100 plus 1, 101. So first half should be in descending order. Second half should be in ascending order. Correct? See here, first half, what is my value? First 3 values. Okay, 199. So what it has been done? 199, 1, descending order. So next half should be in ascending order. So 12, 25, 63. Any doubts? Python, it is very easy. But the thing is, like in Java, since I do not have to, I cannot find my min and maximum value by default. I want to write the code separately and then I want to add it and merge it. See here, since automatically everything is inbuilt, this is easy in code. The complexity for both the program will be same. Order of n. That's all. Okay. But here, what I have to do is, the code will be a little bit short. Any doubts here? Yeah, sure, I will share the code with everyone. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, shall we move on for the explain it once, ma'am? Sure, straight. See here, I will trace the code. Okay, first thing, what is my value? I'm getting it here. Imagine like I'm going to get 6. Okay, and I'm going to get the value here. Tell me any value or else I can give 100, 99, 88, 1. Okay. So there are 6 values here, correct? So 99, 98, 88, 156, it is my value. So what is my minimum value here? 1. What is my maximum value here? 100. So what is my sum? What is my sum? 100 plus 1, 101, correct? So 101 mod equal to 0. Condition true or false? False. So automatically it comes here, right? To health part. So in health part, what I'm doing it? I'm traveling inside a loop, getting the first half value, second half value. What is my mid value? 6 divided by 2, my answer is 3. Correct? So here it will go. So 0, 2, 3, it will go. 0, 1, 2. Correct? So first time what it is going? It is going inside and it is appending the value 100, 99, 88. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. It is appending the value here. To understand? So 100, 99, 88 is been here. Correct? Again, what is my mid value? 3 to n. So what is my value? 3 to 6. So 3, 4, 5. Up to 5. What is my 3, 4 values? 1, 5, 6. Correct? 1, 5, 6. Correct? So here it is going here. So L1 is sorted in a descending order. Reverse is equal to true means it will do descending order. So descending order in sense 99, 98, 88 only will be there. Ascending order. What is my ascending order? 1, 5, 6 only. Correct? The same value will be coming. So I have displayed that value. Any doubts? Let me give the same value and check it out. I'm giving 6. 21th line. What it is showing? Int unexpected indent. line, unexpected indent. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, I'm giving 6, 100, 99, 88, 1, 5, 6. Okay. The same value it is coming. Because it is in first half, it is in descending order, second half, it is in ascending order. Hence, it is displaying the same value. Okay. For example, now let me change the value 100, 99, 88. Instead of 1, I'm going to give 2. Okay. I have given first value as 100. 6. Okay. 100, 99, 88. Okay. Instead of 1, I'm going to give 2, 5, 6. So, now the value first half, it is in ascending order. Second half, it is in descending order. Clear? Any doubts? Clear? This question was asked in Accenture. Okay? And next, we are going to see a coding question which is asked in Capgemini. Okay? Write a code. See, in Capgemini or Accenture, there is a feasibility you can do in any languages. C, C++, Java, Python. Any language you can do. Write a program. Write a program to count the what time we will end the session today? 1 o'clock. It is 4-hour session. Why are you bored? Or do you have any other session? It is literally 4 hours. This 1 week, it is literally 4 hours, 9 to 1 o'clock. So in between, you will have the 15 minutes interview. Okay, so can I go on with the Capgemini coding question? Write a program to count the number of pairs in a given array which is equal to the given sum. To the given sum. That is my question. Okay. Write a program to count the number of pairs in a given array which is equal to the given sum. Okay. So let me give you, for example, my value is 8. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. My sum is equal to 10. Okay. I want to add the value which is giving my sum as 2. Okay. For example, imagine I'm giving 10. I cannot take 10 because it is one value. I want to add the values which sum is equal to 10. Okay. So tell me what are the pair you will get it here. What are the pair you will get it? Written that, ma'am, in Capgemini test, can we choose Python? Will that be okay if I choose Python? Definitely yes. Okay. For a coding language, 6.8 lakh package, you can choose any language. You can choose Java, you can choose Python, you can choose C++, you can choose C. And you can use, if you know, you can use work with Perl, and if you want, you can work with C++, C#. Okay. And what are the pairs which will give my value? 2, 8. Will I get 10? And what is my next pair? 3, 7. Correct? Then what else I will get? 4, 6. Anything else which will give me 10 pair value? So it should be only 2 values which should give me 10. So I cannot take directly 10. So any pair values which is giving me 10, I can choose that one. Any other values? So my output is, what is my output? How many pairs I'm getting? 3. Am I right? Any other pair will it give me 10? No, right? So can you do this question or you want me to do this? Any other values? Any doubts in this question? Yes. Ma'am, no ma'am, we will try for 5 minutes. Okay, this question I will do. Which language you want me to do? Any language, whichever you are feasible, tell me that language, I will do it. Python, okay. Python, but not now. Java. Give us 5 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Somebody is asking in Java. I'll do it one in Java, another one in Python. Okay. For 5 minutes you do it. And after 5 minutes, let me do it. One has completed the code. Very good. Good. Good, Ramesh. Good. But I have another way of doing it. Can I do it? Yes. Okay. So I'm just going to create a function. Okay. Let me have it like get char count. Okay. So I'm just writing get char. I'm going to pass my array and length of my array. Okay. And my sum. That's all. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write my count value is equal to 0 and I'm going to travel inside my looping statement of my array. For I in range up to 0, from 0 to n I'm going to travel. Okay. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more loop. Okay. In range. Am I audible to everyone? Range of 0. Here I'm going to travel with the next value. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is if a of I plus a of j, you understand it's very simple. A of j equal to the given sum. Count is equal to count plus 1. Okay. Return C. Okay. So I'm going to straightly pass the values. Okay. If you want, you can take and pass it. 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 9, 4. This is my value. N is equal to len of my A. Okay. So I'm going to call the function get of what and all I'm going to pass. My sum is equal to, let me pass my sum value is equal to, sum is equal to n. Okay. So I'm going to pass a value array n and my sum. That's all. Whatever it is returning, I want to print it, right? So I didn't print it. So let me print. Print what it is returning. So it is returning 2. What are the values? 6 and 4. Any other values? Will it give 10? What are the values? Let me, if you want, you can print it out. Print A of I, comma, end equal to space. Let me give a space, comma, A of j. So you will know what are the print values and you will know what are the values it is getting printed. Line number 6. What is the error here? So 1 and 9, 6 and 4 are the values which is giving 10. Is it easy? Do you want me to check any other values? Very simple, right? Any other doubts? Do you want me to trace this code? Ma'am, what if I ask you to print number of pairs? Number of pairs is not only 2, equal to given key. I didn't get your point. Sum is equal to given key. What do you mean by key? I mean number of possible ways which sum is equal to key. What is it key?
Ma'am, here we are checking only 2 digits, no, ma'am. I mean,
Okay.
we are checking only for 2 pairs.
Yes.
What if he asked us to give the number of possible ways in which the sum of the digits must equal to given sum?
Sum of the
Ma'am,
digits.
if he has given 10 as our key,
Okay.
then we have to return the number of possible ways in which the list elements equal to 10, ma'am.
Then I want to check with all the values up to n.
But not
That
it
is
should not include only 2, ma'am. We have taken AFI.
pair. I have clearly mentioned it is pair. Pair means 2 values only, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am asking the different one, ma'am.
You're asking
The other question.
other question of what? All possible values.
Yes, ma'am.
Then my question will be different, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can take all the combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4, some I will take, each values. Permutations I have to take. List permutation I have to give. So first time it will come 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 9, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 10, 1, 9, 1, 4. Okay. So all the combinations it will take from 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, similar to that. So everything whichever equal to my sum, that will be picked. It will be a combination of permutation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the code if you don't mind?
For that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for sure. So, till this, you want it in
Python.
Okay. You want it to be all pair or combination? 2 values or all the combinations?
Ma'am, all the combinations. Ma'am. Anyone is fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll do it. First, so it can be of unique combination. Okay. So for example, 2, 1 is also same as 1, 2. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm not going to do that one. Rather than that, all the combinations I'm going to take. Okay. So let me take it as unique combination. This is my function. Usually, if I take Python, I demonstrate with my function because that will save my time. Okay. And I'm going to have one more value called local and value array. I'm going to pass it. So these are the functions I'm going to have it here. Okay. If sum double equal to my k. Okay. And now what will happen is like it is going to print all the combinations. So let me print the combination values.
Mm.
If I not equal to, sorry, I not equal to len of my token minus 1. Print, comma, n is equal to this. Okay, so print this one will come, return will come. So now what I'm going to do is inside that itself, next value I'm going to do I in range of n comma n of a, length of my a comma if sum plus k of I greater than k. Okay, continue. If I greater than 1 and a of I equal to a of I minus 1. Continue. Local dot append of unique combination. I'm going to call the function again. I'm going to pass the value I plus 1 comma sum plus a of I comma k comma local dot a. One more combination. So all my function is, so let me define my a value. I'm just giving different values. key value. Okay, as you said, I mention it as key itself. Combination of my A, comma my K. I will have some errors. Let me correct it. What mistake I have done? Line number 4. I have sum K and my local A I'm passing it. If sum is equal to K, I'm going to print that value. If I is not equal to 0, oh my god, I forget one thing. I want to go inside my statement, right? I in range of n of my local. After that, local of I comma not equal print I'm printing my, if I is not equal to 0, print that and print local, printing my local and end. If I is not equal to local minus 1, print that and my value return. Coming out and ranging my A value comma 1. What are the values? It is printing the first values. I guess I have missed something. Print the statement, what I'm missing. Some mistake I'm doing. What mistake? Anybody can help me in this? Actually, it is.
Can you change that input ma'am? Array so that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that.
Actually, it is like 3, 5. My answer is 8. Okay. And what will happen for 4? 6. 2, 6 is 8. Correct?
4,
3,
4.
5.
Okay, 6, 2 is ma'am.
First value it is missing. All the combinations actually it's supposed to print. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Local.view.local. Just a minute. Hello? Yes? Sir, நான் செஷன்ல இருக்கேன். கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு கால் பண்ணிட்டா சார்? Okay.
Ma'am, can you show me that print statement?
Yeah.
Ma'am, if I not is equal to 0, you are printing space no ma'am. In the first for loop.
Pardon?
In the first for loop ma'am.
Okay.
If I is not equal to 0.
Okay.
You are printing space.
Yes. Space only has been printing. I need one value to another value, right? Am I right?
Yes.
First, I'm opening it and I'm giving a space. Okay. Because what is my sum?
It is 0, ma'am.
It is 0. 0 equal to k bar. Condition fails first time. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I will not go to that value first. It goes to second value. Am I right? For I in range.
Yes,
so it will come here. Correct? So what it is actually doing? If I is sum, what is my sum value? 0 plus a of I. What is my first a of I? Let it be 1. 1. 1 greater than k bar. Condition fails. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It will come back to I loop. So what is my I value? What is my I value?
I is 1, ma'am.
That is a mistake I done. I'm getting it. So instead of L, I made it as 1. L there. So from 1 to A of L, 1. So 1 by 1, I have to iterate up to length. Correct? So it is coming inside. First time it is condition true. So 1 greater than 1 and A of I. What is my A of I value? 1. Which is equal to A of I minus 1. What is my A of I minus 1 value? 0.
1.
So 1 is compared with I value is 1. A of I value is what? 2. Which is equal to 0 position value. It is 1. So 2 is not equal to 1. Condition true or false?
False.
False. So both the value will be comes out, right? So again it goes back to the value of 2. 1 by 1 iteration Here, I'm removing the last length element. Once after passing the value, I don't want any value here, right? One value only I'm passing it.
It's clear.
So one value, 2, I'm removing it. I'm not removing the value from array. I'm removing the value from my list.
Yes, ma'am.
Once after passing, I do not want any values, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is showing error? I do. Actually, I'm getting all the combination, but first value alone, it is not printed. Inside and printing it out. It is not coming here itself, I guess. If I is not equal to 0, what mistake I'm doing? Am I doing it correctly? First value it was not displayed, but count is correct. So whenever count it is giving me 8, 6 plus 2 it is 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 it is 8. Okay, so all the combinations it is giving. But the thing is like first value is alone is not missing.
Ma'am, can you exchange the print statement in the first for loop?
Pardon?
In the first for loop, ma'am.
Okay.
We have to first print the array element, which is in local list.
You want me to print it? What is my I value?
It is 0, ma'am, initially.
So 0 not equal to 0, condition true, right? So it will give us space.
Yes, ma'am. Space only printing in the output only.
Just a minute. Local of len of local minus 1. Just a minute. Unique, comma, sum, comma, k, comma, local, comma, if sum is equal to k, I'm printing the values for I in range local. In that if I is not equal to 0, print the space and giving I is equal to give. And once after this, choppa, one indentation space is actually I missed. It should be inside my looping statement.
Ma'am, if condition indentation today.
Pardon?
If condition indentation, ma'am. There after the print statement.
Indentation is actually breaking my head. All the unique combinations you will get it. 2, 2, 2, 2, I will get 8. 2, 2, 4, I will get 8. 3, 2, 3, 8. 2, 4, 2, 8. Correct? 4, 6, it is not 8, right? 3, 2, 6, answer is 8. This is also 8. 3, 5 is 8. 4, 2, 2 is also 8. 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. All 8. I don't know why this has come. Correct? All the combinations which I have given. For example, let me give it as 10. Yeah, it is coming. One indentation, simple indentations, it breaks my heart. Okay. Any doubts here? That's fine. So yes. Yeah, I'm sharing this code. Guys, this is a company specification. Okay. And you people are, I do understand 4 hours continuously pseudocode will be boring. I do understand that. But the thing is like September 1st week, we have Capgemini and Accenture, correct? Nearly 500 pseudocodes are there. Let me check it out whether my screen is visible or not. I'm sharing my WhatsApp. Just a minute. Nearly data structure question alone, I have 500. Can you able to see the screen what I'm shifting?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm actually looking for my WhatsApp, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Check it out. I will show you something. Okay. This is actually, I have entire questions. Okay. Data structure question alone, I have it. Okay. Only data structure, you have many questions. Okay. This is like, you want. Okay. So we have many things has to be covered. Okay. Data structure questions we have separately. We have operating system questions separately. Nearly 500 questions plus coding questions you have nearly 100. Okay. 1 week is actually not enough. You understand? If you know the questions very frequently, then without contributing it, without calculating itself, you can easily understand the logics. Okay, so practice alone make you to do the pseudocode within 1 minute. So I want you people to please do concentrate. Don't go in between the meet. Okay. Can I go on with any stand? You want me to go slow or any suggestions? You can tell me. So I'm every 15 pseudocode, 1 coding question. Can I do it in that way? Yes. Okay. 15 pseudocodes, 1 coding question. So we'll follow this one. I guess there is some artists are booming up. They are started. Even my daughter who's studying 4th standard will do better art than you, I guess. I could not able to understand what you're typing in red color. Can you please be clear? If you want to scribble something. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Tomorrow we'll meet up again. Thank you, guys.
Recording stopped.